Hello, welcome. Thank you for joining in today. And today is a very special day for Superfast authors because today we are going to talk to Mr. Shailesh Nevse. He is the author of this one great book, Ultimate Guide to Job, to grab your dream job. It's a lovely book. It's a fantastic book where he has tried to guide and mentor and coach all the students who are getting into their corporate life. So this is one great book from Shailesh Nevse. So we will be talking to him about his book writing journey. We will understand how his experience was. We will also try to learn from the author himself, and he will share certain tips and techniques with us. So we welcome Shailesh ji. Thank you for taking time out from your busy schedule. Thank you for joining us today. We welcome you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. It's a pleasure to talking with you today.
Same here, sir. So before we begin today's session, let me introduce Shailesh ji. What are his achievements? What are his qualifications? If I start telling about his qualifications and achievement, I think I'll need minimum 1 hour to do that. So, but instead of getting into those kind of details, I'll just give you a brief introduction. Mr. Shailesh Nevse has around 20 plus years of corporate experience. He has worked with many national and international, very reputed giant brands. He has worked with automobile sector, manufacturing sector, IT, FMCG, ITS, and then he got a chance to work with some really great names from the industry like Tata Motors, Skoda, Hindustan Unilever, Tata Technologies, Siemens, and the list is endless. Very proud moment for all of us that he has also received one patent on his name from USA. He has that kind of achievement. Getting patent on the name is not at all easy, my friends. He's a proficient trainer. He's a career counselor. He's a motivator, relationship coach, business coach, law of attraction practitioner. And of course, he's a certified trainer from Asian College of Teachers. So that's one feather he has in his cap. And there are plenty of achievements in his hat. There are plenty of feathers in his hat, but he loves to travel. He loves reading books, and he is a true friend because today he is here, and that's because of our friendship. So we welcome you, Shailesh ji. If you think I have missed anything from your biodata or your profile, please add to it.
Yeah, no, it's cover you. You all covered it very well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the very first question. Please show your book to the audience and tell me what this book is all about.
Well, so this is the book. You can see the complete book. I have my picture on it with a suit and tie, but usually it's not my regular posture. And so this journey started with a super fast authors. I met on some very good day, and I decided, okay, this is the time, and this is a team which can help me to out and write me that book. So this is how it started. And as per the name suggesting, it's ultimate guide to grab your dream job. So in last 20 years, I faced a lot of interviews. I switched multiple opportunities in the different companies, different organization, national, international, the global. I talked with global clients, and while in that journey, I observed there are many things which the common people doesn't understand, or the people who are students who are passing from the college, universities, they need some proper guidance. So that's why that thought in my mind, and that all the thoughts I jotted down in my book. So The book is all about for everyone, from starting from a student to a mid-career or the high-career professionals. It is for everyone. Yeah.
Great, great, great. So you have tried to put all your knowledge, all your experience, all your inputs together, and you have tried to give a, a bundle of all tips and techniques to the candidates.
Correct. So basically, what happens if you go to the market? There are plenty of books, means how to write a resume. If you just Google it, you will get a lot of results. But that is not all which is required to get an interview or get a dream job. A resume writing is a one part. Then okay, if you are master in the resume writing, but that's not cover you everything. You need something for the interview preparation. So how to prepare for the interview? Means there are typical question answers. So how to answer those questions? Then interview preparation, interview, the resume. These are traditional approaches. But nowadays there are some advanced tools out there, advanced social medias are there, like the LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a number of professional site globally.
Right.
Many people doesn't know how to use or how to utilize that LinkedIn or the using that LinkedIn profile, how to grab your dream job or how to approach the recruiters, how to approach to the companies, how to approach to the high managers, HR managers, etc.
Right.
So my book is like a complete means everything in
Guide.
one book.
Guide.
Yeah,
That's why you call it guide.
yeah, correct.
Okay. So when you decided to write a book,
Uh,
whenever you decided,
okay. So
what was the reaction from your close friends? What was the reaction from your family members? What was their first reaction when you announced that I am writing a book?
So the story behind the book is like writing a book. It was like a dream for me. Means, when I was working in a Siemens that time, some 3 years ago or something, and that time we were means the company were inviting a global renowned people as a keynote speakers for the annual hackathons or some annual meetings, gatherings, etc. And that time there were many people coming as a keynote speaker, and everyone was an author, or everyone written at least one or two books in their professional or in their hobbies. So that time also I started thinking, why can't I? Or why can't we as a common people, why can't we write
When
book?
they can write, why I can't write?
Correct. So that thought process started in my mind 3 4 years ago, and suddenly, with the God's grace, I met with the super authors team. Like the Deepak sir is with us, then the Kailash sir is there. So they both guided me. I attended one seminar. In that one day seminar, they give a lot of easy tips and techniques how to write a book. So and that session was very powerful. So I was just started flowing myself in their guidance, and the journey started. Then I took a daily writing, and whenever I got time on the weekdays or the weekends, mostly on the weekends, I started writing a little pieces of the articles of the some tips and tricks, etc. And when my book, I thought, okay, it is at a certain stage or certain level. Then I disclosed that to my nearest friends and the family, and their reaction was like, "Are you writing a book?" So this is what, because we are the common people. We are not very so-called highly educated or very high society people. We are very common people, and becoming an author or writing a book is something different for means our parents, for our friends. So the
It's a
happiness,
special moment or special achievement.
yeah. So happiness on my parents' face, my wife's face, that was very encourageable for me.
Right?
Yeah, that's what a really great experience for me.
Fantastic, fantastic. So they not only got happy, they also gave you encouragement and they gave you support. That's a big thing.
Yeah, absolutely.
So now when your book is out, now your book is released, you have become number one best-selling author also. So do you feel that something has changed around you? Now people look at you in a different way, or your image has changed, or something like your image before writing the book and now your image after you writing a book and becoming a bestseller? Do you feel there is any difference in that? Do you experience anything?
Yes, absolutely. There is a much difference, huge difference, I can say. Because what happens, like as I said, as you introduced me, my introduction also there on my book. I used to give a training. I used to give a training in reputed engineering colleges as well in Pune, a couple of institutes as well. But my introduction was limited to the okay, he's a trainer from this company, or he's a corporate trainer for that company, or okay, he's a motivator. He's doing some giving some tips and tricks to his friends only.
Hmm.
But apart from that, I wanted to reach a very huge people or the masses, we can say. And reaching to the masses, we need something like authorship. Okay, so this book gave me that authorship. And when it published on Amazon, and I float message on social media, I float message on WhatsApp, emails, etc. And people are like, okay, you written a book, okay, that's it, good, good. The first reaction is good because they know, okay, he has written a book. But after some time, when it become a bestseller, and that too with the I believe on Amazon, it is having a 4.5 plus the ratings,
Huh.
and the very good reviews. And let me tell you the true thing that all the reviews are from unknown people. They are not my
Exactly.
close friend or not my close relatives. They all reviews from the unknown people, and that is the greatness. And when a book become as a number one bestseller, so that time the encouragement I received, all the happiness I, that was a top on the like a hill, I can say. And that changed a lot of things. The people who earlier said, okay, good, you written a book, now they are saying, okay, your book is number one, it's a best selling on Amazon. So that's the difference, and I am proud.
Your respect in their eyes have increased.
Yes, yes, that is true, absolutely true. Yeah.
Wow, wow, very nice. Any negative experience you faced during this?
Not negative actually. Means,
Uh-huh.
you can say any negative experiences. Means everybody, my friends, well-wishers and non-well-wishers also encouraged me, or they appreciated me. Okay, you have done your achievement. So that's it. No negative feelings for that.
Wonderful, wonderful. So how was your book writing journey? Did you enjoy the journey? Did you learn anything from it? Did you evolve as a person? Did you evolve as a professional? How was the journey?
Well, the journey started in a bits on pieces, I can say, because I doesn't know how to write a book, and I received very good guidance from the super authors, team super authors, super fast authors, and especially when I started, I just writing couple of lines or couple of words, say 500 words, 700 words in a day, or in a weekend, crossing 1,000 or 2,000 words. But that time also, it was like one article from this direction, opposite direction, and I was not sure how to maintain the flow. Then I approached Deepak sir. I remember that day I called you on a phone. You are very easily approachable person. I really appreciate for that. There is no time limits, or there is no time slot. Okay, you can call in the morning 9 to 11 or etc. So,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
so the thing is like I reached you and I just ask you, just guide me. And your guidance on that day, I remember today also. You just said, what your thoughts comes in your mind, just put it on a paper, write it, keep writing. After certain days, you will realize, okay, what I am writing, that is going in the same direction. And if you found, okay, you are facing a direction less, or you are facing in a different direction, again call me. Let me show, like show me whatever you have written. Give me those articles. I will go through it. I will review it, and I will guide you the proper direction. And I did. I submit one section of my book to you. I remember you guided me very well. And from that one section, completing the second and the third section was a pretty easy for me, because I got the direction, I got the flow, And after completing that first section, I took a time, but second and third section I completed very well on time. That's because of the guidance of the super fast authors team.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you for all your kind words for us. It is our job to support all our authors,
Correct.
hold their hands, walk their journey together, and make them authors. That's the dream we are following. So, obviously, we are very happy to see you as author. We are very happy to see you as Amazon #1 author. We are really, really proud of you.
Yeah, thank you.
So, when you are writing your book,
Mhm.
when you started and when you ended, and the whole journey was for quite few days and quite few months, what was the best moment of your life about the writing part, the what we call it aha moment? What was the best moment where you felt like you got overwhelmed? What was the moment?
The moment, the day I have completed all the three sections, yes, that was a very
Great relief.
great relief, I can say. Because I know in my mind I like I created one index. Okay, I need to put a 9 chapters, 10 chapters, or the three sections. But okay, 4 chapters are completed till there are six remaining or seven more remaining. So every day it's like, okay, something more is required, something more is required. And when I completed all the three sections, completed all the words I decided to write, then that was aha moment for me.
Okay, cool. So there are plenty of other authors who are writing their book. There are many authors who are struggling to write. So, what do you feel? Uh, are there any good practices? Are there any tips from your side? Would you like to guide all those people who are not able to write fluently? Please guide them what they should do, what they should not do. By doing what, their book will come out very smooth, very fast. Please share some tips with the budding authors.
Yeah. So the first of all, I can say like I'm not a good writer. Means it was a thought in my mind earlier, and one day when I met, they guided me, as I said, and I started writing. So it's a very basic thing. Like if you wanted to walk for 1,000 miles, you start with the first step. It's a famous saying. Everybody's saying. There are many people, motivational people, are trying to say this, or do not do any procrastination, or do not do any daydreaming, etc. So we listen, but we cannot implement. And I was also the same. Even I took some time to get myself writing good articles or writing this book. So I wanted to accept my faults. I did mistakes, uh, and I just wanted to tell the people or the upcoming author. So whatever the mistakes we did, or the other authors who are now published authors, who are best-selling authors, uh, now we know what are the issues or what are the limitations. So we can just say, go beyond that limitations. Try writing at least one article in a day, whether it is a 400 or 500 words. If you are not getting time in a daily schedule, for example, me, I'm working in an IT company, and everybody knows it's very difficult time working from a home. We are not bound to work for 8 hours, 9 hours. We stays beyond 10 to 11 hours many times. So the weekends are there. So utilize those weekends. Yes,
Be consistent.
be consistent. Who are from these backgrounds? Because I know there are some people who will be from a IT background. Their thought process will be same as mine. We are not getting time daily. So at least utilize your weekends. So utilize your weekends to write more articles. So you can cover up all the week, and that is how you can proceed. That's only the thing I can suggest. And another thing is like what my mentors taught me, like the Deepak sir. Whatever come in your mind, anytime, anywhere, keep a notebook and pen with you. Like after lunch, you thought, okay, I have this thoughts in mind. Just put it on that notebook.
Make notes.
Make a notes. it may take 5-10 minutes. So we have a mobile, like there are multiple applications like Keep Notes, etc. So just type in and that Google Notes, and then refer those notes while doing your final writing works. So these are some tips I used, and I'll also suggest you to use these tips. These are very helpful for your writing journey.
Okay, great, great.
Yeah.
So शैलेश सर,
Hmm.
बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि बुक लिखने से कुछ नहीं होता, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता उनकी जिंदगी में. सो व्हाट डू यू फील, बुक लिखना चाहिए क्या नहीं लिखना चाहिए?
My personal opinion is everybody or every person should write a book, whether it is in your English language, whether it is in your native language or national language, Marathi, Hindi, English, Gujarati, Kannada, Telugu, anything. But at least in life, you should write a one book. And once you write a one book, then you get encouragement and you are starting writing a second book or third book or fourth book. And I'll happy to share on this moment today. I am in process to write my second book.
Wow, I didn't know that. Good one, good one.
Yeah. So why this confidence, or why this happened? Because I wrote a first book. Whatever you do, first thing it always a difficult. Means we know change is difficult, or we know something making a habit is difficult. But once you started doing it, then you will get okay. This is very easy. So that is how I will just suggest everyone write one book. Write in if you don't have a confidence on your foreign languages, write in your own language. That is also the good option.
What are the advantages of becoming author? What do you feel?
Advantages are people look at you at a different perspective, because whenever you go to the market, whenever you go to the societies, whenever you go to the colleges, institutes, companies, your colleagues also look at you at a different level. Okay, this person has a published author, or this has written a book. So okay, we can get something from him or her. So that approach from the people, colleagues, friends, families, that is really differentiable for your life, and that is a very great feeling, I can say.
Great, great. So, sir, you were mentioning about your second book. If may I ask, what was the topic of your second book?
The topic of my second book, like as you introduced me first. There is a one word I used, law of attraction.
Law of attraction coach.
Okay. So what happens since last couple of months of the year, I can say 1 or 2 years, I'm following this, I'm learning this law of attraction. I'm following,
Okay.
there are multiple techniques out there.
Right.
And that law of attraction, we have plenty of books, all the movies from the foreign. We can say the foreign people like the Rhonda Byrne, then the secret books, then the secret movies. A lot of things are there, available there, but those are in the English language. And I
Right.
wanted our people, or the people from our villages, our native places, or our city where we are living, so they need to understand the concept behind those stories, or the concept behind those things. So that is the one topic which is not final yet. What I am going to write, or what I am going to consider in those area. But that's the one thing, and I am trying to write that book in my native language, that is in Marathi.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, because I wanted to pass on that things to the all the people who don't or who are unable to read the English, who are unable to understand the English. They can read English, but understanding the English properly is their limitations. So that's what the thing I wanted to write those book in Marathi. Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. So this is just at the thought stage, or you have already started writing?
I have not started writing. It's in the thought process, and I have started collecting the inputs. Or I am just putting down some notes, we can say,
Okay.
like what I will going to cover in
So
the
you're doing your homework.
homework, I can say. Yeah, that's the perfect word.
Okay. Okay. So my next question: do you feel there is a need of a mentor in book writing journey, just the way you need mentor in all fields of your life? Do you feel mentor is necessary?
Yes, it is 100% yes, absolutely yes. Because what happens, we can learn many things our own. Yes, we are having a lot of things available on the internet. Google is uh, a huge sea. We can just put in a keyword and it will throw us lakhs articles, lakhs websites. If you see the numbers on the Google down, it shows you the lakhs of pages
True,
Google found on that particular one keyword. Okay,
true.
but not everyone is going to learn using reading the articles or watching the YouTube videos or just following some YouTube videos, etc. Because what happens? Why mentor is required? Because means I can just say one example. When we born like a baby, our parents taught us how to walk. First, they taught how to crawl, then they taught how to walk. They pick our hands and we are starting a baby steps.
Exactly.
So our parents are our first mentors.
Right. Correct.
Because they teach us how to crawl, how to walk, how to talk in the baby words.
Hmm.
Then we come to the like our kindergartens, then first standard, second standard, and the teachers are our mentors, second mentors, we can say. And when we complete our education, then we come in the society or in a huge corporate world or huge market, and we think like, okay, now I am educated, I am fully educated, I do not need any mentor, I do not need any guidance. But that is not true. We from our all our bottom and the upbringing followed with a proper mentor, because those mentors are there. That's what, that's why you are educated, highly educated. So writing a book or writing any following anything new, like you want to write a book, you want to write a blogs, you want to start any YouTube channel, you want to start anything in a world, you need a mentor who can guide you, who can give you a proper direction, I can say. And i I just thought mentor is very much required. That's it.
So without mentor, you can do it, but you probably will need more time, more efforts, and then your journey will be full of ups and downs. But maybe with mentor, he has already done it, he has already seen it. He will support you, guide you, so that you reach your destination very fast and effortlessly.
Absolutely. That is very perfectly said. And that is very true, I can say.
Okay. So one last question from my side. How was your experience working with Superfast Author?
Uh, well, I uh, I just felt a very gratitude for all of the team, Superfast authors. Starting from you, Deepak sir, then the Kailash sir, then the office staff, the support staff like Abbas. He used to call me many times. He used to guide me on a little things. So
Branding services, particularly.
yeah, so everyone from the Superfast authors team. So I can say very thank you, all of you. Thank you for guiding me. Thank you for means mentoring me. And the experience is very good, very well. As I said, there is no time limit for calling you at any moment. We can call you in the midnight hours as well.
We might not pick up as we are sleeping, but yes, we'll try to help you.
Yeah, because that uh, that friendship or that close relations you made with everyone means not only me. I know a couple of authors who also started writing a book journey along with me.
Right.
And whenever we talk with each other, everybody is saying like, okay, we can approach super fast author team at any time on any day. So that is really great, and keep that greatness. Thank you very much.
I think
Yeah,
we are what we are because of people who trusted us, who believed in us, and that's why we could do whatever we could do so far. So thank you, sir, for trusting us. Thank you for believing us. Thank you for working with us. Thank you for giving us a chance to publish your book. Uh, the screen and the stage is yours. If you want to give any message before we close this call, So you're free. Anything you want to say from your side?
Yeah, well, I'll also just say thank you very much with the folded hands. And it's really a great journey. It's really a great happiness becoming an author, becoming a best-selling author. So it's really I'm feeling very proud for me. That's because of you people. You people
Right.
guided very well, and I'll keep this friendship forever in my life.
Of course, of course. Book should not be the end of relationship.
Correct,
Rather,
correct.
we should start new association and new initiative from this moment onwards.
Yes, yes, that is correct. And I'll just say, whoever the people watching this interview, I'll just say all the people, write at least one book, write something, start your book writing journey as early as possible.
See it to believe it. Do
Yes,
it to believe it.
do it to believe is my first book. And if you met me a couple of years ago, means that Shailesh was different, and today's Shailesh is totally different. So that confidence came because of writing a book, becoming an author. So I will suggest everyone start writing anything you want and just be a author as early as possible. That's it.
So thank you, Shailesh ji.
Thank you.
I'm thanking you again for taking time out from your busy schedule, for talking to us, for giving us a great insight, sharing your knowledge, sharing your experience. It was really, really awesome.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir. So here we are ending this interview, and we are, as we always say, everyone has a story to share. Have you shared yours? If not, grab your pen, grab your notebook, and start writing. So take care till we meet with next brilliant author. Till then, take care. Thank you for joining us.
Yeah, thank you.